Swisher T and Weezy.
Oh, baby addicted to power. Stuck on my nuts in the shower. Cookie I mix with the sour. Hit it from back like a coward. Your favorite rapper wanna sign me. My jacket like, where did you find me? House big, house big. Ooh, trouble to find me. Ooh, I get it checked. Ooh, make it enough. I heard you sick. Ew, ain't saving enough. Give me the sloppy, we happy. Stop texting me, send me the addy. Rockin' designer all baggy. I got your back in my Avi. Ooh, she give me head like I'm Stewie. Spit on my shit like a Louis. Keeping it rolling like movie. Why your diamonds looking fooey? Damn, my son in Gucci. Damn, that's little Truey. I got the Benz, no hoopy. If you got plugged in, nigga, just loop me. Baby addicted to power. Stuck on my nuts in the shower. Cookie I mix with the sour. Hit it from back like a coward. Your favorite rapper wanna sign me. My jacket like, where did you find me? House big, house big. Ooh, trouble to find me. Ooh, I get it checked. Ooh, make it enough. I heard you sick, ew, ain't saving enough. Give me the sloppy, we happy. Stop texting me, send me the addy. Rockin' designer all baggy. I got your back in my Avi. Back house in the jacuzzi. Sucking me up when she do me. Niggas is sus, niggas is sus. Niggas is fruity. How much you spend for the code? Making them plays like a damn coach. Moonwalking in the snow. Michael Jackson on these hoes. I can be waiting in line. Baby is lit, baby is fine. I'ma be turned for some. Niggas is running with nothing. Telling them bitches I'm coming. I know them bitches be thotted. None of my business, be honest. Keep it 100, be honest. Baby addicted to power. Stuck on my nuts in the shower. Cookie I mix with the sour. Hit it from back like a coward. Your favorite rapper wanna sign me. My jacket like, where did you find me? House big, house big. Ooh, trouble to find me. Ooh, I get it checked. Ooh, make it enough. I heard you sick. Ew, ain't saving enough. Give me the sloppy, we happy. Stop texting me, send me the addy. Rockin' designer all baggy. I got your back in my Avi.
So I'll start off with what I'm wearing first. This is obviously the Honda Supreme Moto jersey, and I think the quality on it's really nice. They have these really big, like kind of rubbery logos printed on it or branding all over it, which I really do like. As far as the fit goes, I'd say it's like almost exactly true to size for like normal clothing. But usually when I order jerseys, like I almost always expect the jersey to fit a little bit large. But yeah, I'd say like if you are ordering this and you do like that fit for your jerseys, you know, you want them to fit a little bit bigger, I'd probably size up one. For myself, I usually border on like a large and an extra large. And the sleeves for this are like perfect length. The only thing that's a little bit off is the torso. In the front, it kind of ends where like a normal large would probably end for me. But like I said, you know, jerseys, I usually like them a little bit baggier. But the back of the jersey does seem to have a little bit of a tail where it's longer than the front. So if it was all around that length, I would be happy. But the front is a little bit shorter. Anyway, still fits fine. Moving on, I got this snap button shirt. I forgot what it was called. But people definitely like slept on it or were not that interested in it. And this actually isn't for myself, so I'm not gonna like open it up and try it on. Just because it did come in the Ziploc bag, I opened it up and got some shots of it. But this is actually for my dad's birthday, and my brother and I went in on it for him. It has this kind of like stiffer canvas material for the shirt where it's almost like a work jacket, and then the collar has a really nice thick corduroy with some metal snap buttons, and very nice. I think this is a very nice piece. It actually cost less than the jersey. I want to say the jersey was $158, which is pretty steep, I feel. But as far as this goes, I want to say this is like $128. I think it's a good price. If I was getting it for myself, I probably would have gone with their khaki or like light brown colorway. I like that a little bit more. But my dad's always rocking his navy work shirts when he's in his shop. So went with that, and I think he'll be happy. So lastly, we have a ton of stickers that they sent us, which is actually, you know, a pretty good amount of stickers for what they usually send. Especially when there's like not a collaboration. A lot of the time they usually just send 1 or 2 box logo stickers, a little bit stingy. But this time we're getting stickers from, you know, week 1. We have this lotion one, and then also I think this like holy god one or whatever was also from week 1. But another interesting thing that I noticed when I did the unboxing was it didn't actually come with any of the plastic Supreme totes. So maybe they're trying to be a little bit more environmentally friendly, which is a good thing because that does definitely waste a lot of plastic. Like when I was reselling heavily, I had like probably like 50 of those bags which somebody actually bought like 30 of them for some pretty reasonable amount, like as much as I could ship them for, plus a little bit. The only concern then is that if there is a tear in the plastic bag, the outer packaging, the plastic totes were pretty heavy duty, where they would actually be able to protect whatever was inside your Supreme item, obviously. So not having them is just kind of removing a layer of protection, but also, you know, saving the environment. So anyway, as far as the stickers go, we have 2 regular Supreme box logos. We got 2 more scratch off ones, which I'm happy about, because if you guys watched my unboxing earlier this season, I got another one of those scratch off ones, and it was all like bent, and then part of it was actually already scratched, which I didn't like. We have another one of these lotion ones, got one of those earlier this season. This like religious Supreme one, which I got. I actually don't think I got one of those earlier this season, which is cool. Mary J. Blige sticker. Oh, and actually kind of cool, on the back you got the signature. Interesting. And then lastly, we have the Velvet Underground collaboration. On the back you got Supreme, Velvet Underground. And this Velvet Underground one is actually kind of like the only one I would have maybe expected to get. It's kind of weird to get the other just like week 1 stickers. But yeah, because Velvet Underground, I want to say, was like a week or 2 ago, maybe 2. I don't know. Time's been flying lately. But that is the end of the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys cop anything from it? Do you guys like the jersey? I'm a little bit on the fence about it. I really liked it in the pictures, but I do wish it was, you know, like that XL size. I think it'll grow on me though. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.